Welcome! Today we are talking about note-taking. We're never taught how to take notes. However, taking notes is one of the most important skills for children to learn. It is very important for education at all levels and even for adulthood. So let's learn the best ways for you to take notes and how to review them once you write them. Learning how to take notes is important for kids because it helps them learn and remember new things. Notes also make it easier to study later because the important information is written down in one place. Taking notes can help kids stay organized and pay attention during class. If children learn how to take good notes when they are young, it will help them do better in school as they get older.
Did you know? Note-taking improves school performance, with students who take notes achieving about 13% higher test scores. They also have a 34% better chance of remembering key information. There are many correct ways to take notes, but it is important that you take notes in a way that makes sense to you. Not everyone will take notes the same way. What works for you might not work for your friend. Test out these different ways and see which one fits you best. Feel free to combine these methods and take the elements you like the best. The first way to write notes is the red pen, blue pen method. You write all new concepts with a red pen, and write all the old concepts with a blue pen. This allows new concepts to stand out because the red pen is brighter than the blue pen. It's very helpful for scanning through your notes to find the exact notes you need to find. If you don't like switching your pen when taking notes, you can use the bullet point method. First, you list the main idea or theme. Then you add a dot or bullet point, number or letter under the main idea. Here you can add facts or other notes that relate to the main idea. This helps you keep your thoughts organized. The next method is called Cornell Notes. Draw a line going down the page a third of the way in. Write your notes on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, rephrase the notes. Some ways you can rephrase include writing the why/when/who, explaining why it's important, or defining key words. The bottom of the page is for a summary of all the notes. Rewrite all your notes in 2 to 3 sentences. By rephrasing your notes, you deepen your understanding of the concepts. You also have a nice study guide when you need to test yourself. You can cover your notes on the right and answer the questions on the left. Another method of taking notes is called the mapping method. This is best for visual learners. You write your main idea in the middle. Now draw a line to another box that summarizes the main idea or topic. For each fact you add, you can draw a box around it and draw a line to the main idea that it relates to. You can use color coding to separate facts into groups like people, dates, ideas, and other groupings.
What to do now that you're done with your amazing notes? How should you study? The first way that will help you study is to do repetition as you take your notes. Reread your notes in small sections. This helps you be able to understand the concept without being overloaded with information. It will also reinforce the concepts in your head and make it easy to remember. The more you repeat, the more likely your brain is to remember the concepts. Another great way to study your notes is to test yourself often. Write down some questions that rephrase your notes in another way. If your note says, "Mix red and blue to get purple," you can quiz yourself by asking, "What colors can I mix to get purple?" Quizzing yourself can help you learn what topics you're still confused about or what you don't understand. If you know what you don't understand, you can get more help on it and you know what you need to study. Another great way to learn is to teach others or your friends. To be able to teach your friends, you have to be able to understand the concept well enough to put it in your own words and answer questions that they will have. By teaching others, you can test your own knowledge. Your friend may even ask you a question that you didn't think about, and you will think about a concept in a more in-depth way.
Bonus tip. When taking notes, it is very helpful to shorten big words. An example of this is, instead of writing February, you can write FEB. Or instead of writing Monday, you can write MON. This helps make writing notes faster. It also allows kids to spend less time writing and more time listening to the lesson. Before we finish, remember that learning how to take notes is a skill that can help you for the rest of your life. When you write down important ideas, your brain has an easier time understanding and remembering what you learn. Notes can also help you study, stay organized, and feel more confident in class. So the next time you learn something new, grab a pencil and some paper and try writing down the most important parts. Your future self will thank you. And we thank you for watching our video today. We hope that you enjoyed and learned useful ways to take notes and study them.